With Prime Day just over a month ago, it's good to look back on what the learnings of Prime Day were for your business. It's widely known and obviously the reason for its success that during Prime Day, brands throw in discounts to win over new customers. But is this really where you need to be focusing your efforts? To analyze the Prime Day effect, we've looked into 3 years of data on beauty products and segmented the customer base into 3 buckets. Repeat order customers, the customers who are already buying from you and where you will have a good chance they would have bought from you at a full price. New to brand customers, the customers that haven't bought from you before. And reactivated customers, customers that have bought from you before but not in the 6 months prior to Prime Day. Repeat orders are great, but with an average of 20% of the Prime Day sales coming from repeat customers, you might be losing out on money to customers that would have bought from you anyway. How much depends on the type of product and whether the product they are buying is on discount. For the beauty products that we examined, repeat order sales would on average have been over 6% higher would these customers have bought the products on another date. In most cases, new customers took up the larger part of the orders during Prime Day. These customers have the potential to turn into a repeat customer after Prime Day, so they definitely require your attention. However, it is the smallest group of customers you might actually want to examine a little bit more closely. For beauty products, the customers who have previously bought from you, but just not in the past 6 months, are on average making up for 5% of the customer base during Prime Day. The reactivated customers were much more likely to stay with the brands than the new to brand customers. The chance of the reactivated customer ordering again was 2 times as high. And during Prime Day, the beauty brands were on average 5 times as likely to reactivate customers than during any other day during the year. So focusing on the reactivated customer is a great growth opportunity for your brand during Prime Day. So, the key learnings. Well, keep targeting the new to brand customer base, but try to get the percentage of reactivated customers up. Start using Amazon DSP to retarget churned customers and allocate budget for the pre-Prime Day days to get their attention early on. And with CPCs up to 75% higher during Prime Day, this allows you to play a different and smarter game, retarget churned customers, and increase your chances for a repeat order. If you want to learn more about the effects of Prime Day, read our article on our learnings from Prime Day and what it can mean for your business.